Wait a minute, this is a fork.
That's a spoon.
Oh, yeah. I need a fork to wash.
Oh, were you washing a fork before?
Yeah.
Here you go.
That. Thanks. Yeah, I heard that thing.
I need to get a stool for you so you can do the dishes like a big boy.
Well, there's a stool upstairs in the bathroom I can use.
Yeah, I know, but it's really heavy. I don't want to just carry it downstairs all the time.
Well, I'm a big boy. I can do it by myself. I'm strong.
Yeah, you're big enough to do the dishes. Look at you. Look at you washing that fork just like a pro.
Yeah, I heard that. I'm win. I put the water in my mouth.
Oh, yuck.
I put some water in my